Hey everybody, this is Scott over here. Happy Saturday morning. It's a nice, cool, sort of rainy day in Florida here. I wanted to do this quick message and basically to reassure everyone, yeah, the markets are down. There's a lot of stuff going on in our country, a lot of stuff going on around the world. You know, everything's, for some people, the crypto markets are taking a bloodbath. I don't look at it that way. I look at that as a buying opportunity. Look, everything ebbs and flows, right? It's like a pendulum swinging back and forth, one way and then it'll go the other. We're in a position now where, depending if you're like the glass half empty or half full, it's going to determine your mindset. So, a couple of things. If you are a person that looks at the glass half full, you're going to say, "Oh man, what an opportunity to, maybe go out and invest, dollar cost average in some more cryptos that I already have, or maybe take up some positions." I mean, prices now are just incredible. So if you are in that kind of a mindset, then you're going shopping, right? Or you're looking and seeing is there any new. And that's another thing too. It's also a good opportunity to maybe look at some cryptos that maybe you've seen or someone's talked about, and you can do a little deep dive in, and you're not maybe not investing as much money as you normally would if we are more in a bullish trend or an upward trend. So you have those opportunities. One, you could dollar cost average into positions you already have, or you don't have to just settle with one. You could do multiple approaches, multiple strategies, or you can even look into projects that you have heard about or have been on the fence about or not sure about, and you can deep dive and you can research a little bit more into maybe getting involved, maybe taking up a position. Now, if you are a glass half empty kind of person, and there's no right or wrong, it's just how you're seeing things, I highly recommend this. Don't panic sell, right? If you sell now, you're going to lose, right? Unless you really feel like, what I'm seeing and what I'm feeling and everything else, it's not right for me. If you feel it's not right for you, then of course it's your decision. There's no financial advice. I'm not going to give you any financial advice. I'm just going to tell you what I do. Then of course you can get out. You're not locked in. You're not like you have a contract. You can't get out of it. Of course you can, right? If you want to, sell off your position and maybe look at something else or hold it as cash, then you can certainly do that. But don't just panic sell because the market's in the red. Like, oh no, I'm losing everything. I got to sell now. Well, guess what? It's going to come up and it's going to go in the green. And so you need to think of it that way. So here's a strategy, a couple strategies. One, you can either zoom out, right? Don't look at the markets. Enjoy the weekend. Don't get stressed, especially if new investors really have a challenging time with that, because it's like we're unsure, we're still learning. It's real easy to want to panic sell, and I highly recommend that you don't. Hold off on panic selling. Or, again, you could go back into, change your mindset, go, this is a good opportunity. I really like, Loopring, or I really like Algorand, which is really down low, or Cardano, or even Ethereum. Hey, invest some money in ETH, I'm going to tell you, or Bitcoin, because it's going to come up. So that's a great opportunity to maybe invest some more dollar cost average in, which is basically, you're just maybe weekly or every 2 or 3 days. I do that with some of my positions, right? I'll dollar cost average in. Maybe I'll buy a little bit here, and then a week from now I'll buy a little bit more there. If the price drops 10 or 15 cents, I always have a strategy for when I buy, right? And pretty much everything I have is long-term holds. I'm not necessarily going to, just sell off unless something catastrophic comes out and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna move. I'm gonna get out and go into a different position. So you can do that. You can either zoom out. You could buy more, right? Or hodl. You could just hold. Don't do anything. Just be like in a holding pattern, right? And just go live your life, because the markets are going to come up. They always do. In the stock market as well, of course, right? Stock market, crypto markets, all the markets, everything's going to come up. There's a lot of stuff going on right now, right? There's that uncertainty, right? The fear, uncertainty, and doubt, FUD, okay? So, but don't be an emotional investor where you base all your investing decisions based off emotion. Go take a deep breath, step away from it, go for a walk, take the dogs for a walk, go watch a movie with the kids, play basketball, whatever, and just zoom out. Don't check your phone every 5 minutes, right? And just enjoy life, because the markets are going to come up. We're going to be we're in a great position right now. And again, if your mindset is, this is an opportunity to buy, go look and buy some more if you got it. If you don't, hold on to what you got, if it's right for you, and just enjoy life, because that's what it's all about, guys, right? We don't want to be a slave to the markets, right? We don't want to be attached to our phone more so than we are at the hip, because you know what? There's a world out here, and there's a life, and we have families, and the beauty of life is just amazing. So have a great weekend. You're not going to hear the last of me, guys, but I wanted to come on and do this sort of like motivational message for you. It's hopefully I can download it on our Facebook group. It's kind of long. If not, I'll just go live later. That may be something too. So anyway, so be on the lookout, because that may happen today or tomorrow. Hey, my friends, I hope you are having a fantastic day. Enjoy the world, enjoy your family, enjoy your life, and I'll see you guys here soon at the Crypto Dojo.